Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to show you another amazing automation which will let you connect two different types of project management and collaboration tools. One is Teamwork and other is Jira. So if you want to use both of these applications together, you can synchronize both of them by the help of this automation that I'm about to tell you. So here we have taken the use case in which whenever you create a task in Teamwork application, a issue according to the same task will be created in Jira application automatically. Yes guys, let me show you how. So here you just have to create a task in Teamwork, and according to the details a new issue will be created in Jira application automatically. So here you need not to manually sort out the details of the task and manually create the same issue in Jira uh, one by one. Okay, so as and when you create a task here, a issue will be created here automatically, so you can manage both of these applications effectively and use both of these applications effectively, right? And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is you can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So let's set up this automation together. So guys, first of all, you have to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so just set up your account and log in and reach here. And guys, here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up this automation. Click here, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So I am giving the name here as Teamwork to Jira automation. So after filling the name here, you just have to click on create, and you can see the workflow is created here. And on this page guys, you will see this trigger and the action. So this automation work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new task created in Teamwork application, and the action would be a new issue in Jira application. Okay, so first of all, set up this trigger here. So in the trigger, you have to select the trigger application first, which is Teamwork in our case. Okay, this is Teamwork, select it. And in the trigger event, you have to select a new task option. Okay, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, and it is used to fetch the data out from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So by following these instructions written here, you can make the connection with Teamwork application. You can see you have to navigate to the top right drop down, and from the settings you will find this webhooks option. Then you have to switch on the webhook enabled button, and in the registered event. So let's follow these instructions. First of all, I'm going to my Teamwork application, and from this top right corner in the drop down you will find this settings. Okay, let me check. Yes, settings. Click on settings, and under settings you will find this webhooks option. Click on webhooks. Okay, and now you can add a new webhook. So you have to toggle this webhooks enabled button to on first. Okay, toggle this on, and under this registered events, click on add webhook. Okay, and you have to select the webhook event as, let's see, task.created. Okay, select here task.created. Scroll down here and you will find the option. Okay, so this is the task.created option. Select this, and in the endpoint URL you have to paste this webhook URL. Just copy this and paste it here. Okay, and in the version, let's check. Okay, so you have to select the content type as JSON. Select the content type as JSON. Version is version 2 only, and then click on add webhook. So you can see a new webhook is added here successfully, and here you can see it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So guys, this means you have to do a test submission now. This means you have to create a task in any of the projects that you're working on in Teamwork application, and that will act as a test task, and we are going to capture the data of that test task here, and with the help of that data we are going to move forward. Okay, so I'm going to my projects in Teamwork application. So I'm inside Pabbly Connect project, and these are the two lists I have in which I can create a task. So to create a task, I'm just going to click here on this plus icon, and from this quick add list, I'm going to click on task. And now from here, you can select the project, you can select the list. This is the to-do list I'm selecting, and here you can fill the details of the task. So I'm giving the tasks details as this new integration required between Jira and Teamwork. Okay, so this is just to show you the demo. This is the test task we are creating and assign to. So here you can assign this task to any person from your team. I am assigning this to Miss Ashmita Mandal. You can give start date and time of this task. So I am giving the start date as this and due date as this. Okay, you can select who can see this task. So I am selecting the person. Okay, updating it. Okay, so we are done. Now I'm clicking on add task. Okay, so you can see a new task is added here in this to-do list. Let me show you. Here you can see this is the new task added here, new integration required. Okay, and this person can see this, and this is the due date, and all the details are filled. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this test task in our workflow or not. And you can see here in this response received section, we got the details of the task as this. Here is the project ID. Here is the project name. Here is the priority. Here is the details of the task. Okay, and here is the created date of the task, and this is the all other details related to, this is the list name. Okay, so this is how we can capture the data of a test task. Now guys, I want to create this task as an issue in Jira application as well. And in Jira, as you can see, we have two projects here in let me show you. We have two projects here in Teamwork, and we have the same two projects here in Jira as well. Like you can see, we have all these projects, and we have Pabbly Connect project and Pabbly subscription billing project. So these are the same two projects that we have here also. Okay, so according to the project ID or the project in which I have created this task, I want to create an issue in the same project here in Jira as well. Okay, so guys, I am going to create two routes for the two different projects. Okay, so click here on this action step and search for this router. Select this router function by Pabbly, by which we can create two routes for each project that we have in Jira and Teamwork. Okay, so let's say this first project is for Pabbly Connect project. So I'm renaming this route just for your clarification. This is for Pabbly Connect, and this is for Pabbly subscription billing. Okay, these are the two projects we are working on. Okay, now let's set up this first route for this first project. So click on set filter and action steps. Now here it will show you this filter, and it will ask for it will ask to select the label. Okay, so here in this filter, I am going to select this label that you have received here in this first tab where we have captured the data of the task. Here we got this project ID. Okay, so I am going to tell here to Pabbly Connect in this first route that when this project ID label equals to a specific number, then only run this workflow and create a task in create a issue in Jira. Okay, So from the select label field, click here and you will find this teamwork option in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will get all the responses that you have received in the first step here only. Okay, so this is the project ID label here. Select this label, make the filter type equals to, and here in the value field you have to enter the value which will equal to this. Okay, so this means we are saying to Pabbly Connect that when this project ID equal to this value, then continue this workflow and create an issue in Jira. Okay, so to get this project ID, you can see here, you can open your project in Teamwork application. I have opened Pabbly Connect project, and in the top search bar you can see this is the project ID we have, this number. Okay, so just copy this number and in this filter paste this number here in the value field. Okay, then click on save and send test request, and now you can see the status is success and the condition is true. Okay, so this means when this condition is true, what we want to create a issue in Jira. So click here on this plus icon, and from another action step, search for Jira application now, Jira software. Okay, and in the action event, select create issue option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection and click on connect with Jira software, and that will bring you to the login window if you are not logged in. As I have already logged in Jira, it will just ask for some permissions required to make the connection. Okay, so here Pabbly is requesting access to your Atlassian or Jira account. So from here you just have to authorize for this domain. So we have this domain here, you can see pabbly.atlassian.net is our domain's name here, base domain. Okay, so you have to select it here, like, okay, so you have to select this domain here like this, and then click on accept, and you will see that will be connected with Jira in few moments. You can see the authorization is successful, and you can see we are connected now. So here you can see connected is written and the base URL is selected automatically now here. Okay, and now you have to select the project's name. So we are creating this route for Pabbly Connect project. So select Pabbly Connect project from this list. This is Pabbly Connect project. Okay, and here you can select the issue type. You can select the issue type as this, a task, a subtask. So we are creating a task, the issue type is task only. Select this, and here it is asking for the summary, for the description, for the priority, and all these things. So I'm going to use the data that I have received from Teamwork in the first step for this summary. So just click on it, this field, and you will find this Teamwork step in the drop down, and when you click on it you will see all the data here, and from here select the select this label. Let me show you this one, the task name. So this will act as the summary. So I'm leaving this description blank. This is not a compulsory things, and here you can select the priority of this issue or you are creating. So I'm selecting the priority. You can add a label also. Okay, if you want, you can assign this issue to any person you have in your team. So I'm assigning this issue to Satish. Okay, now click on save and send test request to check your connection with Pabbly Connect project. Here you can see, let me open this project here. Right now I have these issues created here. The last issue was PCP 89. Okay, now let me click here and save and send test request, and a new issue will be created in Jira. So you can see PCP 90 issue is created here. Let me show you. Let me refresh this task issue page here, and you can see PCP 90 is created here automatically with the same title that we have mapped, new integration required. So this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. And we are done setting up this first route. Just click on save and done. Now let's set up the route again for this for Pabbly subscription billing project. So guys, you need not to create set up this route from the scratch. You can just clone this first route also. This is a short trick. Let me just show you. Let me delete this route here. Okay, and from here, from this three dots, click on it and click on clone. Click on clone, and the same route will be created again. Now you can rename this, and I'm renaming it as Pabbly subscription billing. Pabbly subscription. So we are doing a bit of smart work here just to save our time. Okay, click on update. Okay, the same route is created here again. Now you just need to change a few things here. So click on set filter and action steps, and from this filter you can see you just need to change this value. Okay, here put the value of project ID for the second project. So my second project is this, where it is. I'm clicking on projects, and this is a second project. Open this, and now you can see in the search bar this project ID. Copy this, paste it here like this. Okay, and click on save and send test request. And now you can see it is showing error. The condition is false. So the condition is false because we have captured the test data for Pabbly Connect project, but we are setting up this route for Pabbly subscription billing. So it will show you the error here, but it will run in real time whenever you create a task in Pabbly subscription billing. So not to worry about this, let it be. And here in this create issue Jira step, you just have to select the project here. So now you have to change the project name here. So just change the project name to Pabbly subscription billing like this, and we are done. Let all the things be as it is. You need not to change any other thing. Just change the name of the project, and we are done setting up the route for second project. Okay, if you want to change the assignee of this second project, you can change the assignee as well. Let's say for Pabbly subscription billing, I want to assign the task to Miss Ashi Rai. You can do that. Okay, now we are done here. Click on save, and we are done setting up second route as well. Click on done. So guys, this is how you can set up this automation. And here, first of all, we have connected teamwork in the trigger, and by following these instructions, we made this connection, captured the data of a test task created in any of the project. Okay, and according to that project, we have set up this first route. After that, we cloned the same step and created the route for the second project. Okay, and guys, you have to set up this automation only once. You have to make these connections, set up these routes only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, as and when you create any issue here, any task here, a new issue will be created here automatically. Let me show you a real-time example. Now here, let me create another task in teamwork, and now let's select the project as Pabbly subscription billing. Okay, and the task list is general task list. Okay, and here let me put the tasks description as trigger events need to be updated. Okay, and let me assign this to Mr. Hardik, and let me put the start date and the due date. Okay, everybody click on update, and I'm adding this task here in this Pabbly subscription billing project. Okay, I'm clicking on add task. You can see a new task is created in Pabbly subscription billing in this general task list. Okay, now let me show you directly in Jira in the same project if we got a new issue or not. So I'm opening the project now as Pabbly subscription billing, and here you can see in this Pabbly subscription billing project, In this recently updated issues, we got a new issue created here. Trigger events need to be updated. Okay, so our automation is working really fine here, and this is how it is going to work. And guys, the best part is you can use the same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.